Right guys, blue or black pen for your answer and purple pen for any progress steps you need to make. Right guys, welcome to people who are new to the channel. Okay, if you do enjoy this content guys, you find it useful and helps you, as we haven't got much teaching going on at the moment, can you please like all my posts, please share them with friends from other schools, okay, and please follow my YouTube for full exam walkthroughs. Okay, if you do complete an answer, take a photo, upload it and tag me at @maths. Okay, I'd love to give you feedback on some of your work. Now, this is a nice question, okay? It was on 2018, I think, paper 1. Very easy question, okay? You just got to make sure you lay your working out correctly because these +2 marks are really important. All that means is you've got to explain yourself as you go. Now, we got 2 cuboids. We're talking about volume, okay? The 2 cuboids have equal volumes, okay? That's the key word. This is what we're discussing. Now, if they have equal volumes and I want to calculate the height of cuboid B, I've got to work out what I'm missing. Cuboid A, I've got everything, okay, and they say they have equal volumes, so that's really important. So I'm going to start working out stuff on cuboid A. So cuboid A is by there. Now, I know the volume of a cuboid is length times width times by height. Now I know I can label them any way I want. I know my length is 6, my width is 2, and my height is 3. So 6 times 2 times by 3. 6 times 2 is 12, times by 3 is 36 centimeters cubed. Now that cube bit is really important. Remember your units, okay? They're super important. This side, I'm going to talk about cuboid B. Okay, cuboid B, same thing. Okay, it's still length times width times height, exactly the same thing. However, I've got my length, I've got my width, but I haven't got my height. Okay, it's still height, but I haven't got my height. Okay, so from there, I'm going to substitute in what I know. I've got 2 times 2 times by height that I don't know. Okay, so I'm just going to leave an empty space to fill in a second. But however, I do know the volume. Because the volumes are equal, this is 36. Just going to make some notes down the side. That's 36. Now, I've got to fill in this gap using the information that I've got. 2 times 2, I'm going to simplify a little bit. 2 times 2 is 4 times something. 4 times something makes 36. Going up in your 4 times tables, count up in your fingers if you have to. List your 4 times tables on the side, it doesn't matter. 4 times 9 makes 36. So my height, down the bottom, equals 9 centimeters. Okay, and that's it. Remember, height is a length, okay? Whole question done. Now, on the second part, how many cubic centimeters are there in 2.5 litres? Now, in Wales, you have to remember this, okay? For every 1 centimetre cubed you've got, it is equal to 1 milliliter. Okay, that's the conversion you need to remember. Now, it says how many cubic centimetres are there in 2.5 litres? 2.5 litres, if I want to put it into cubic centimetres, this litres has to be in millilitres first. Now, to go from litres to millilitres, I got to times by 1,000. That's another one you kind of got to need to remember. Okay, if I times that by 1,000, you can do this a number of ways. I move the decimal place over 3 times. You end up with 2500 millilitres. Remember, it's 1 to 1. So 2500 millilitres is the same as 2,500 centimetres cubed. And that's just going to go down the bottom. Very, very easy, 7 marks, okay? It's a huge amount, it's about 9%. Guys, if you're enjoying these videos, can you please make sure you like them? Please attend the lessons this week. There's going to be lessons running all week. Please, can you take a photo of your answer and tag me at @maths, okay, guys? I appreciate your support. Remember, I'm doing everything for free. The more support I can get and the more people I can reach, the better.